Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. Welcome to our new Shivani Boutique studio, and this is the space which we are going to utilize for our photo shoot videos, and of course in days to come it's going to be home furnishing and furnitures, and so many creative works are going to happen here, which is very close to Shivani Boutique. It's a very walkable distance of about 2 minutes and that's it. And today we are going to show beautiful Katan silk, half Katan silk sarees. The saree which I am wearing, the flow is so amazing, and you can see how the flow is. And my height is 5.5. For my height itself it sets, and like till 5.7 it'll the saree will be a perfect one. Alright, let me start the show. This is the first saree which I am wearing, and the blouse for the saree is this, where I have mix and match according to your taste and preference. You can mix and match your blouses. Alright, and then the next saree is this beautiful yellow color. The saree is the same which I am wearing. The color combination is this different, and this is the yellow saree and green border, and this is the pallu, where you have got a jacquard blouse in this. All comes with the jacquard blouse. For prices and product description, this is the blouse, contrast matching blouse. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else feel free to 95855011762 is our WhatsApp number. So this is the saree, and the pallu portion comes over here. The saree is so pretty looking and amazing. All comes with a blouse, with a jacquard blouse. These ranges starts from 2000 to 2800, between those ranges. The next saree is a jacquard yellow color saree. These are all Katan silk sarees, and see, this is the pallu part, and the blouse is this. So nice and fine. All comes with a jacquard blouse. Alright, and the next saree, yes, see this. The saree is really nice, and for these ranges, the saree is so pretty and it looks so amazing. Yeah, this is the pallu part, and the blouse is this. So these sarees I usually used to sit in my boutique and then do all the videos. So many clients usually they give lot of suggestion, ma'am, you can stand and show the saree so that how the pallu looks. See, the pallu and the saree flow is so nice, and this is the pallu part, and it comes with the jacquard blouse. All comes with the jacquard blouse matching. And then the next saree is this. See, these are all I can say, like for small functions, party wears, you can go for the saree because it doesn't look of this range. These are all Katan silk sarees, and the flow is so amazing. I personally recommend Katan silk saree. See, the flow is so good and so nice, and after wearing it becomes lightweight also, so in that way. And then the next saree is this, a full jacquard saree. See this, so pretty, lovely it is. So this is how the saree look, and this is the pallu part. All comes with the blouse. Some will be a plain blouse, some comes with a jacquard blouse. So accordingly you can go for it. You can go for your own mix and match. See, the full saree is all over designed, and such a nice beautiful saree it is. So beautiful. The finishing is so good because actually, how to say, the finishing of the saree, and it is not gold in color. It's not gold in color. It's like a copperish gold color. So it looks like a real one. So for this range, it's so nice and excellent. All comes by 2000 to 2800 worth of saree. Let me see what is the range of the saree. It is 2450. Alright, and my next saree is this. All are lovely colors. See this. This is called as a Mercedes cotton saree, and the flow and the weaving is Tansha weaving saree, like a Varanasi kind of weaving, and this is so nice, and the fit is really a slim fit one. And I have got one more color in this, a beautiful milk rose color with a copper sulphate blue matching. See this, the saree, and so for the price is really worth it of the price. And the next one is this. See this, so nice and amazing. So same to same color which I am wearing. The border is pretty beautiful border. You can find how the border is so nice in this. And these are all there in our photographies, which we usually take under the sunlight, so that the color may not vary much. So this is a sky blue color with a pinkish purple matching, and this is the pallu part for this. Pallu is this, and this is the blouse for this. Hope you guys can understand, and please put on your reviews for our new studio and also the pattern on and style which we are taking the videos and photography. Your constructive critics is always welcome. We welcome that. And this is the pallu part, and all over jacquard. The sari is really lightweight. In spite of these heavy jacquard, compared to these, the sari is really lightweight, and it's a purple pink matching border. And next is this. It's an all over jacquard sari. See, it's so beautiful. Amazing. The sari is so nice. So this is how the sari looks, and this is the pallu part. The blouse comes with a jacquard blouse. So you can see our photographs. Enter into our website www.shivanisboutique.com or else 95855017762. These are all very new collections. A pale orange color. This is the sari, and this is the pallu part, and this is the blouse. Blouse is a jacquard one. It looks so amazing. And the next sari is this. See, all over jacquard. The feel is so good. And the look wise also, it is so pure look. It gives a pure look. And this is the pallu part, and the blouse is this. All comes with a range of 2000, within 2800 ranges. See this nice yellow color with a contrast matching pink border, getty jerry border, and a small jerry border here. And this is the pallu part, and it comes with a blouse. So I have still more saris to come. Some 5 saris. See this beautiful black beauty. Lovely it is. The sari is so beautiful looking, and this is the pallu part, and the blouse comes with a jacquard blouse. Alright, and see this. It's a nice yellowish color, yellowish green color sari, and the sari looks this way, and this is the pallu part, and we have a jacquard blouse. All blouses are so amazing. You can go for the same blouse, or else you can mix and match your blouses however you want it to. And once again, so this color is so good, and it throws well on your skin, and this color will suit everybody. And this is the pallu part, and the blouse is a jacquard blouse. If you have any queries, you can WhatsApp us 95855017762. Beautiful yellow. Silk sari lotus. See this, how nice and natural it is. And this is the pallu part, and this is the blouse part for this. Hope you guys sit back, enjoy, and see our show. You can place, you can put forth your comments in our inbox, or else WhatsApp us, however you wanted to. See this half white golden sari with a beautiful purple matching border, pallu, and a blouse. Where is the blouse? Yeah, see how beautiful the blouse is. And the next sari is this. It's a pale pink sari with a navy blue border, all over jacquard it is. So the feel and the flow of the sari is so amazing, and the range is also so good. It is 2550 only, and this is the pallu part, and this is the blouse part for this. And next, so we have all good ranges, and what to say, the ranges will be like 2000, and in our next episode we will be showing beautiful kalamkari saris, pure ones. So it differs according to your taste and budget. You can purchase your products at Shivani's Boutique. So this is the pallu part is this, and this is the blouse part. The sari is this. How beautiful it is looking. Yeah. And my last but not the least, I have still more. See this yellow with orange matching all over this jacquard. You can find lovely zigzag all over the body, and this is the pallu part, and the blouse part is this. this, so nice and amazing. And next, see this vertical beautiful design it is. Yes. Oh nice, lovely the sari is. And this is the pallu. The pallu is a small Getty Cherry pallu and the blouse is jacquard blouse. Hope you guys enjoy seeing our video in a different, totally in a different setup. Our Shivani Boutique Studio. And see, this is a red color sari with a contrast matching black color border. Oh, it is so nice. And see, this is the blouse part. These all come to the beautiful this much length borders, so that you guys can go for this much sleeves however you want it to. See this, it's a nice plain sari with a contrast matching Getty Cherry borders on both the sides. So this is how it looks. This is the pallu part and the blouse is this contrast matching blouse. And my last sari is this pale pink rose color with a contrast matching dark pink borders on both the sides. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing our episode in our new super duper Shivani Boutique Studio. And for any queries, you can WhatsApp us 95855011762, or else you can straight away log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com under the heading Khatan Silk Sarees. We'll meet you soon with lots and loads of collections and this different beautiful setup. Thank you so much and bye bye.